Let's now move on to round 2. Ease of use. The fastest and more convenient wins for this round. You don't need to be techie or tech genius to use Shopify. It comes with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, managing your product pages, sales, and inventory inside Shopify is a breeze. The downside of this guided, polished, and highly optimized user experience is that it limits your control. You can only use the design and development tools provided by Shopify or add-ons available in their marketplace. On the other hand, WooCommerce is not a hosted platform like Shopify. This means you will need to install the WooCommerce plugin, manage updates, keep backups, and make sure that your website is secure. And when it comes to that, WooCommerce seems to be a better option. The wide range of functionality that WooCommerce holds is to provide sustainable and rapid growth to your online store. Our experts' motto is ease of use. With that in mind, our professionals designed WooCommerce that can easily be handled by any beginner and offers complete control to yourself. If you are interested in growing your site with some outstanding features with ease of use that would put your site in the higher ranks, then WooCommerce is the best option for you.